In cybersecurity, monitoring network traffic is essential. Wireshark, an open-source analyzer, captures and inspects data packets across networks. Wireshark captures and analyzes network traffic, decoding protocols like TCP, IP, HTTP, and DNS, detecting issues and vulnerabilities. Wireshark is crucial for ethical hacking as it allows monitoring, capturing traffic, identifying vulnerabilities, and forensic analysis during cyber attacks. Key features include packet capture, real-time analysis, deep packet inspection, and advanced filtering for isolating specific traffic. To set up Wireshark, install it on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Choose the desired network interface and capture packets in real time. Wireshark aids ethical hackers in network reconnaissance, identifying weaknesses, analyzing traffic during attacks, and detecting malicious activity. Advanced features include packet reconstruction, decrypting SSL, TLS traffic, and creating custom profiles for effective analysis. Wireshark is essential for monitoring, detecting vulnerabilities, and ensuring network security. Use it responsibly within ethical boundaries.